Here, in the south of Monmouth County, New Jersey, just inland from Manasquan Inlet, is a small portion of the Manasquan River directly affected by the tides and salinity of the adjacent Atlantic Ocean. It, like much of the East Coast, has been heavily developed. Here, among the busy ports and seaside developments, birds are found. Besides the typical gulls and shorebirds, there are also many species of waterfowl. Among these include brant, American black ducks, and red-breasted mergansers. Brant, after suffering an anthropogenic population crash in the 1930s, have steadily regained their numbers. Brant are found on the east and west coast of the United States during the winter months, as they fly north in summer to their breeding grounds. Here in New Jersey are a subspecies of brant called Atlantic brant. A small species of goose, they are herbivorous, feeding on aquatic grasses and macroalgae, like eelgrass and sea lettuce. They have black heads, bills, necks, and tails. Around a small part of their necks, there is often a white, necklace-like coloration. Generally, the neck coloration of the Atlantic subspecies is often less distinct than that of the Pacific population, and the Atlantic variant also has a paler colored belly. Brant are usually less raucous than the larger Canada goose. Degradation of their Arctic summer habitat and encroachment of competition due to global warming is causing their populations to be in jeopardy again. Fun fact, they are the smallest species of goose in New Jersey. Red-breasted mergansers, like other species of merganser and Atlantic brant found on the Jersey coast this time of year, are just here for the winter before flying north when it gets warm again. Males of the species have a vivid green head and red eyes, white neck and black back. Females have a brown head and a mottled gray body. Both the male and females have a messy crest on the top of their heads and a generally white underside. They are diving ducks, and they use their red, thin, sharp bills to help them catch fish and invertebrates. American black ducks can be confused for mallards at first glance. American black ducks and mallards look similar, though American black ducks are, as their name would suggest, darker in color. Males have yellow bills, whereas females have pale bills. Similar to other birds mentioned, they overwinter in the eastern United States and spend their summers north in eastern Canada. Clearing of habitats such as wetlands and forests, as well as encroachment by competing species into its comparatively northern breeding ground in eastern Canada, northern at least as far as dabbling ducks go, most likely due to glowing temperatures, is threatening their populations. Buffleheads, a species covered in an earlier video, can also be found in this estuarine environment. They are a species of diving duck which dive to feed on invertebrates and plants.